Paris, the city of love, lights, and timeless charm. A place where history, art, and romance intertwine on every cobblestone street. From sunrise over the Seine to twinkling Eiffel lights at night, this city will steal your heart in more ways than one. Today, we're going through the 10 places you must visit in Paris. Let's dive in. 10. Montmartre and Sacré-Cœur. Let's start in the bohemian heart of Paris, Montmartre. This hilltop neighborhood was once home to Picasso and Van Gogh, and it still oozes creativity. Today, it's a haven for street artists, musicians, and dreamers chasing the spirit of old Paris. Wander through narrow alleys, discover quaint cafes, and don't forget to climb the steps to Sacré-Cœur Basilica for one of the best panoramic views of the city. At sunset, the white dome glows golden, casting a magical light over the rooftops of Paris. Nine, the Louvre Museum. Home to over 35,000 works of art, the Louvre is the world's most visited museum, and for good reason. Its glass pyramid entrance is a modern icon, contrasting beautifully with the classical architecture that surrounds it. From the Mona Lisa to Venus de Milo, this former royal palace is a treasure trove of human history and imagination. Even if you're not an art buff, wandering its endless halls is like stepping into centuries of stories. Eight, Eiffel Tower at sunset. No trip to Paris is complete without seeing the Eiffel Tower. But instead of the usual daytime visit, catch it at sunset. As dusk falls, the tower sparkles every hour on the hour, lighting up the night sky like a beacon of dreams. Watch the sky turn golden as the lights flicker on. Better yet, bring a picnic to Champs-Élysées and enjoy a magical evening under the stars. It's the kind of memory that will stay with you for a lifetime. Seven, Le Marais District. Trendy, historic, and endlessly charming, Le Marais is where old-world Paris meets modern flair. This district has roots in medieval times, but its energy is fresh, artistic, and effortlessly cool. Stroll through cobbled lanes, explore vintage shops, discover small museums like Musée Carnavalet, and indulge in falafel on Rue des Rosiers. Whether you're hunting for antiques or sipping espresso in a hidden courtyard, every turn feels like a scene from a movie. Six, Seine River Cruise, day and night. To truly feel the rhythm of Paris, hop on a Seine River cruise. It's one of the best ways to see the city's iconic landmarks from a completely different perspective. Glide under historic bridges, past Notre-Dame, and wave to people picnicking on the riverbanks. Choose a sunset or nighttime cruise for extra romance. The city truly comes alive in lights. Five, Notre-Dame Cathedral and Île de la Cité. Though damaged in the 2019 fire, Notre-Dame remains a symbol of resilience. Its towers and flying buttresses still stand tall, echoing centuries of Parisian faith and architecture. Even while under restoration, it's worth a visit, along with the charming Île de la Cité where Paris was born. Wander the narrow island streets and discover the tiny flower markets, hidden gardens, and riverside cafes that give this area its magic. 4. Luxembourg Gardens, Jardin du Luxembourg. Want to slow down and feel like a local? Head to Luxembourg Gardens. These gardens were designed in the 1600s for a French queen, and they remain fit for royalty today. Watch kids sail wooden boats, read on green chairs, or stroll through blooming flower beds. It's the perfect spot for reflection, sketching, or simply watching Parisian life unfold in real time. Three, Champs-Élysées and Arc de Triomphe. For grandeur and glamour, walk down the legendary Champs-Élysées. From high-end fashion to global brands, this avenue is where Parisians come to see and be seen. Shop, people watch, and finish at the Arc de Triomphe, where you can climb to the top for an epic view straight down the avenue to the Eiffel Tower. Each evening at 6:30 p.m., a flame is lit under the arc to honor France's fallen soldiers, a moving moment not to miss. Two, Saint-Germain-des-Prés. Known for its artistic roots and chic cafes, Saint-Germain-des-Prés epitomizes Parisian sophistication. This left-bank neighborhood once fueled the minds of writers like Simone de Beauvoir and poets like Baudelaire. Sit at Café de Flore or Les Deux Magots, where Sartre and Hemingway once wrote, and soak up the intellectual spirit. Today, it remains a haven for creatives, thinkers, and curious travelers seeking to tap into the timeless soul of Paris. And finally, number 1, the hidden passages of Paris, Passages couverts. Number 1 on our list isn't a landmark, but a feeling. Explore the hidden passages of Paris. 19th century covered arcades like Passage des Panoramas or Galerie Vivienne. These glass-roofed walkways are filled with antique bookstores, tea shops, art galleries, and a touch of Parisian charm. Here, time slows down, and you'll discover a quieter, more secret Paris few tourists ever see. It's a treasure hunt through history, and you never know what gem you'll find around the corner. Paris is more than a destination. It's an experience, one that lingers in your soul long after you've left. Each street, monument, and neighborhood has its own story, and they're waiting for you to write your chapter. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an adventure. À bientôt! See you in the next video.